kind of loud in there.
Yeah. Do you not like it?
No, of course I do. It just gets in my head a little bit. I can't think straight.
I get that. I really do.
You don't have to be out here if you don't want to. I'm okay by myself.
Do you want me to go?
No, not at all. I appreciate the company. Just saying you don't have to stay.
I'll stay. Feels kind of good out here anyway.
Yeah, thank God. Been waiting for this kind of weather.
Me too.
So, having fun tonight?
Yeah, it's just been so long since I've seen everyone, and I miss them.
I can imagine the RAs were tough this year on parties in the dorms.
I know, it fucking sucked. Like, it's college. People are going to fucking party.
I know. At least it's summer now, and we'll be off campus next semester.
It's like all I'm looking forward to.
Yeah. How'd finals go?
I mean, they were fine. Don't really remember taking them. I was definitely drunk during most, if not all of them.
Oh, didn't know that.
It's whatever. I think my lowest grade was a B+.
You were drunk? Holy shit, I failed a course sober.
What'd you fail?
Business math.
I passed that last year. Do you want me to tutor you?
Yeah, if you'd like. It'd be nice to spend some more time together. I feel like I barely get to see you anymore.
I know, I miss you.
Miss you too. My mom's been asking how you are.
Queen! Tell her I'm doing good. I want to see her.
I'm sure you will sometime soon. Anything else going on besides finals?
I mean, not really. I've been hooking up with this guy, which is cool, I guess.
That's very cool. How'd you meet him?
Do you remember Kels from Jackson's Halloween party?
Short Kels?
No, that's Kelsey. I'm talking about the one with the fucked up eye.
Right.
So it's her ex-best friend's ex-boyfriend's brother.
Wait, so Kelsey's?
No, just Kels.
Kels's ex-best friend's ex-boyfriend's brother.
Right.
Okay. Thought I might need you to draw a family tree, but I got it.
Yeah, so we've been fucking or whatever, but it's fine. I don't want anything serious with him.
Why not?
I just don't really want that right now. What's been going on with you?
Same old. Des and I broke up.
I'm sorry.
It's whatever. Hadn't been going well for a while. I'm just trying to get myself back out there.
And I get that. Are you having any luck?
Not yet. I'm trying. It's just been a long time since I've partied. I've gotten used to staying in. I like it.
I was going to say I was a little weirded out seeing you here.
Weirded out?
Not like weirded out. I was just like weird seeing you out.
Well, yeah, but that makes sense. Hey, I wanted to ask you something.
What's up?
It's not a huge deal, so don't put a ton of thought into it, but did you ever think about something along the lines?
Hey, I'm sorry, may I interrupt you?
No, you're fine.
Good for you, Zon. I figured you'd want to be there.
Oh my god. Yes. Thank you. Just give me a minute.
Oh, no, go ahead. It's not serious. It's definitely...
Sure. Okay, I will be right back.
Sounds good.
Hey, is Ken out here?
I haven't seen her.
Okay, thanks.
Yep.
So sorry. My song was on.
You're good.
Is that weed or tobacco?
Definitely not tobacco. You want some?
Absolutely.
Have at it.
So, what were you going to ask me?
Look, I've been trying to be more honest with myself lately. Others too. Not saying that I'm a liar. I don't always express myself, you know?
Yeah.
So I was gonna ask you, and I realize now might not be a good time because you've got a guy you're hooking up with, but I don't know. I wanted to maybe think about asking you. I don't know.
Get to the point. You want to fuck me?
No, that's not it. I mean, it's a part of it, but it's not the whole thing. I'm just really hurting right now and need someone who can be there for me. Emotionally. And yeah, sexually.
So, what? You want to date me?
No, not dating. I just got out of a relationship.
What would we be then? Friends with benefits?
It'd be more than that, but not a relationship.
So are we exclusive? Or could I keep seeing this other guy?
I guess? I don't think I'd really be a fan. I don't know.
You want a relationship?
But I don't, not in the traditional sense.
Right. You want us to emotionally support each other, have sex, and be exclusive. The only thing you haven't said is that you want me to move in with you.
I don't want that.
You don't know what you want.
But I do, Dee.
Ray, you are the most unconcise, meandering, pussyfooting, beat around the bush type person I have ever met.
I can't be straightforward like you are.
Then stop trying to be. Figure yourself out first. You don't know you.
What do you mean?
You're not comfortable with yourself. The moment you go through a breakup, you show up to a party? That's not you at all.
I know. I just feel really, really lost right now. Ever since Des and I ended, it's like the orientation for my view has completely flipped. Up is down, down is up. When I physically try to look down, my head doesn't listen. I feel like I'm always hanging from the ceiling by my feet. It's nauseating.
Do you miss her?
Of course I do.
Then focus on that. Stop trying to change yourself to be what other people want.
Guessing it's a no to my request?
You don't even know what you're requesting.
Yeah.
But I'll still help you with business math.
Thanks. When are you free?
I don't know. Just text me and we'll figure out a time.
Sounds good. Thanks, Dee.
That's what friends are for. I'm going back inside, okay?
Yeah. Thanks. I'll see you around.
Right? Do what makes you happy. Don't think about it.
I can try.
I'll see you later.